When you receive your Koop Haus nesting box, it'll arrive flat. You'll have the box and a square bottom board. To assemble your box, you're going to pop it up, look for the notched square flap, and fold that in first. Next, take your angled sides and fold those in. Then take your tongued flap and you're going to push all three top flaps in first until the tongue fits into the slot. From the inside, push it down a bit so that it remains flat. On the front of the box, the window flap needs to be pushed down. You have 2 teeth and 2 slots on the bottom. Just fold it down until it clicks in. At this point, you need to put in the bottom board. Take your square bottom board and put them on the bottom of the floor. The board stabilizes the weight of the chicken and holds the box stable. On the back of the box, fold down the back flap such that the 4 eyelets match up to 2 holes. Fold in your side top pieces. Fold at the crease on your top flap. And fold in your roof. On the back, take your tongue, fold at the crease, and place into the slot. If you buy the optional nesting pad, take your nesting pad, squeeze it in on the sides, and place it inside. Now it's ready to be mounted. You can mount it any way that you can, any way that you want. What we use is a bolt assembly. So we have a bolt, 2 washers, and a wing nut. From the inside, take your washer. This is a fender washer. Place the bolt inside. Place the bolt through your fence, another washer, and the wing nut. It's important to attach the back of the box to a fence with something like this to secure the back. What will happen is the chicken will step in front and it has the tendency to tip. So make sure the back is secure. Now you're ready to have your chicken lay some eggs.